Hey, it's Emma, Super Sensitive Human, and I'm not at all prepared for vlogging right now. I haven't washed my face or brushed my teeth or brushed my hair or anything today, but I'm just gonna have to get used to that if I'm gonna be a regular vlogger, not being ready for the camera. I wanted to do an unboxing video of my green blender order that I just ordered. So this is a company that sends you stuff to make smoothies. The reason that I got this was because my car's broken, so I can't get to the grocery store, and so the only fresh produce I can get is from the gas station. And so I thought I would give it a try just for a week or two till I get my car fixed. So we'll see what's inside. But I ruined it because I did the part where I opened it already, so you don't get to see what kind of knife I use or anything. So, here's the box of stuff. Came in FedEx today. It's got a recycled padding in there, very nice. A little thing that gives you the recipes. Now what happens is you can, there'll be like 10 recipes online or something, and you choose which ones you want. So if there's ingredients you don't like, you do have a choice. And this tells you how to make it. They're suggested to be blended with water for the most part, so you don't have to worry about having juice or something. And there's lots of ones that I didn't choose because they just had ingredients that I don't like cashews or matcha tea. Most of them actually have ingredients that I don't like. This one has silk plain almond yogurt, which would be fine if it was just made of almonds, but I'm sure it's not just made of almonds. So I just had to pick some anyway, and I'll just have to leave out some of the ingredients. Like, I'm not sure how I'll do with pea protein. It feels a little bit weird to pay for ingredients that I'm not going to use, you know, but they're only a little portion, so hopefully they're not adding too much to the total cost of the whole thing. Instructions for making a smoothie. Some free offers of other stuff you can get in the mail. Now you've got straws. Those are kind of excessive for my needs, but beautiful. So here is the pear kiwi calm smoothie. It's got spinach, a little thing of powder, pumpkin seeds, kiwis. Looks pretty good. Honeydew coconut kiwi. Foods look fresh. See, I was like, if I don't want to make a smoothie, I can just eat this stuff. Because that was the whole point, was for me to get some fresh food into the house. Protein, pineapple almond. Butternut walnut. That one's mixed with applesauce. Hopefully that's just made of plain apples and not some bizarre kind of applesauce. And tangerine dream. That one has goji berries, which I can't eat, so I'll just have to put those away until I have a guest who can eat goji berries. And then underneath is ice. And in here looks to be bananas that are very, very green. Yes, indeed, those are green bananas. Guess I'm supposed to eat that smoothie last. So I'll give these a try and let you know what I think. I don't really understand their whole pricing thing, because it's like $49 a week for a box. That would make like each of these $10 for a smoothie, which is a lot. And on their website they say $4.99 a serving. I think they're kind of lying to me. Or maybe, oh, maybe what they mean is that this will make 2 servings. That's probably what they mean, is that this will make 2 servings and you can split it between 2 people if you wanted to, or just have your 2-serving smoothie. To me, this looks like not very much food at all, so to me that's like 1 serving, 1 meal. I've run into my first hiccup already, which is like, okay, I'm gonna do the pear one, that sounds good, but I opened up and the kiwis are super hard. I'm not sure if I should even try to eat them. They're so hard, so it's kind of like, there's kiwi, another one that I want that's also going to be hard, and maybe I'll have to eat one that I don't want first. It's very confusing. So I don't know. This isn't quite mastered, I guess, with the whole ripeness of the fruit thing and how that works. I guess I'm going to put the spinach back and try the protein pineapple almond one instead, even though I want that one less right now. Here it is, ready to go. Some ice on the top. And here's the finished product. It's tastes pretty good. I didn't make a really good face there, did I? It's the kale. That kale gets me. Raw kale. Texture. I could put less water in it. It's a little watery. That's on me. Almonds. They don't blend super well, so it's a little chunky. I have a Ninja blender. So that's it for the first impressions of the green blender experience. It's okay.